Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Nokia 105 phone, 4th edition. The Nokia 105 phone is available in 3 colors, blue, pink, and black. The Nokia 105 is a dual SIM mobile phone. The Nokia 105 phone is compatible with mini SIM cards. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. I think that the black Nokia phone is elegant and powerful. What do you think? What is your favorite Nokia phone color? Is it blue, pink, or black? This quick guide shows you how to use the Nokia 105 mobile phone and its important functions. It contains step-by-step instructions and easy-to-understand illustrations on how to switch on the device, how to insert the battery, and how to insert the SIM cards. Nokia 105 contains 2 copies of the quick guide, one in English and another in Arabic. This quick guide contains tips to get started with the Nokia 105 phone. Do you know you can listen to the radio with the Nokia 105 phone by connecting a compatible headset to the phone? The headset acts as an antenna. This AC-18 charger comes with a micro USB cable of about 1 meter long. And it is ideal for charging through a wall charger. This rechargeable battery lets you chat for hours on a single charge, about 14.4 hours of talk time. And it lasts even longer when you're not using it, with about 18.2 days of standby time. Having a battery that can be removed has many benefits. You can quickly swap in a fully charged replacement battery. The Nokia 105 phone is a budget mobile phone without internet connectivity on board. The Nokia 105 dual SIM phone comes with a 1.77-inch display. The Nokia 105 mobile phone has a built-in torch to help you light the way. It has basic mobile phone features such as calling and sending SMS, however, it comes without a camera. You will need to put your fingernail in the small slot at the bottom of the phone and lift and remove the cover to install the removable battery. The phone, with its light weight of about 73 grams and compact size, fits your pocket and palm. You can save up to 2,000 contacts and 500 SMS on this phone. And it comes with a retro-style keypad. It features 4 megabytes of storage and a 2G network. Other features of this feature phone include a calendar, calculator, games, snake game, and a flashlight. The battery capacity is 800 mAh, and it takes around 2 to 3 hours to charge from 0% to 100%. Overall, it's an affordable, decent feature phone without a camera, internet, or Bluetooth. Thank you for watching.